Hey, Tim here. I walked up the driveway to start this video. I wanted to talk about how I don't understand how people dang buy them new vehicles and stuff. I mean, that big ass payment. Now, I know people that paid their stuff off and they're like, yeah, I paid it off, but it was like they couldn't stand not having that damn payment. I had to turn around and bought something else new. Now, I've drove old beaters my whole life. Most of it was probably because I had to, raising 4 kids and all that stuff, and busting my ass. But I always looked at it like, you know, you ain't got to worry about it getting scratched or tore up. And I'm gonna show you in a minute the beaters I got. I guess they ain't really beaters now because I like them a lot. But I mean, if you, my stepdad way back, he was like, oh man, them old vehicles will nickel dime you to death. I'm like, what are you kidding me? I mean, for $300-400 I could be buying tires all the way around on this thing every month, you know. Now if you imagine if you took that $300-400 and put it in an old car for a year. I mean, you'd have a sweet ride, boys. Now I don't know about you, but I just can't. I can't do that. Now I could see if I was a gazillionaire or something, you know, I could see financing or buying a new car. But the stuff I drive, easy to work on, and I mean, they don't break down all the time. I drove these things, it was 40 miles one way, and I never had no problem. I mean, stuff would go wrong occasionally, but anyhow, this here, let me flip you around a little bit. This is the hell bitch right here. We always call it the hell bitch. Dang, I ain't hooked up my microphone either. I hope you guys can hear this good enough. But I mean, I drove by this thing for a few months before I finally seen somebody in the yard. He had it parked in the yard. Said, well, you know, a guy bought the rear end out of it for $300, but he ain't came back. He said, I'll tell you what, you give me $300 and I'll sell you the whole thing. So I did. And I mean, I went through it. I rebuilt motor and tranny and all that stuff. But and this here's my newest vehicle. This is my grocery go-getter. Call it the truck house. My grandson gave it that name. But it's been a good vehicle. I bought this in 2001. I bought that in 99 or whatever. But we had a lot of fun in this. Done a lot of camping and grandkids, and we go fishing. Like I say, we take it for groceries and everything else. No more waiting. And this here's Cougar. Now I drove shit out of this. I drive the hell out of this thing. I mean, now they ain't pretty, they ain't whatever. But if I'm into that shiny stuff, I just like I said, I'll spend that money I was gonna buy on a new car. Man, it's ain't really getting along. This is from spend all that money on a new car and put in there. Boy, I have a pretty fancy ride, but I mean, they're dependable, parts are cheap. I'd be like, damn, my alternator went out, cost me dang. Well, this was before they went up to about 100 and some bucks, but you know, cost me whatever. And I mean, you ain't gotta, I guess it's prestige, because like even me, I was damn hesitating about making this video because I ain't got everything right and everything ain't perfect. Life ain't fucking perfect. Pardon my French. I might beep that out. But I don't know. it's just I can't see spending all that dang money when you could actually have something instead of paying on that damn thing for how many years. I mean, I don't know. I like that Cougar. I dang run around about everywhere I go. Everybody wanting to buy that damn thing. Ah, you want to sell it? You want to sell it? And finally, I'm just like, you know, what would I drive? But and people see it and they're like, oh yeah, that thing probably break down or whatever. But it ain't like that, Bo. They're so simple for starters. Spark and gas, a little bit of vacuum. And like I say, the truck, I went through that. Caliper, I guess I have on pretty much all of them. About the only thing I don't mess with is the dang transmission, because if you ever tore a transmission apart, you know there's a lot of stuff going on in that thing. But just find a good transmission guy, and they're a lot cheaper to rebuild than they are one of these new jobs. But I don't know, boy. I'm just trying to save some money here. Got that video down below. Check that out. That's free. Oh, and people have been it's got a donation thing there. People have been paying. They got a donation. I had it start at $3, as low as you can go. Just put 0 in there. It's how to create a ebook. The simplest way. Really basic. Wasn't really nothing to it. Hell, I'd probably made that in probably 3 hours. But I don't care, but just get something going, man, and save money where you can. There's a bunch of ways that you can save damn money. Every little bit counts. It's damn bubblegum money, man. Get your bubblegum money going. But yeah, a little cool here this morning in the south. But anyways, just remember, action's law, and keep your nose clean, and owe no one. Peace out.
If you woke up broke, your ass should have never went to sleep.
Okay. I don't know what you heard about me.